Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my YouTube channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, Vastu remedies, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. So if you all are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. So let's get started with our today's video. Let's see that what's there in today's video for each and every one of you. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 6 Vastu tips that will help you in enhancing positivity in your life. That will bring a lot of positive changes in your life and that will transform your life for your betterment. And once you follow these Vastu tips, these Vastu remedies, you'll feel the positivity within yourself, within your life and within your home. It will change your life totally. The very first tip. These are very simple tips but very useful tips and very powerful tips. So the very first tip is always keep your home clutter free. Make sure that each and every corner of your home, whether it's your cupboards, your drawers, your lockers, your washrooms and especially your main entrance area, keep all these areas clutter free. Don't keep unnecessary things in your home because we have the habit of keeping unnecessary things. But it is most unlikely that if you don't require few things for 3 months or let's say 6 months or 8 months, then we don't require those things in future. These things just occupy our space unnecessarily and attracts lot of negative energies. And especially your main entrance area should be kept clean, neat and tidy. It should be kept open and spacious so that there can be free flow of positive energies into your home. Because our main entrance area, this is the most important area in our entire home as per Vastu Shastra. हमारा मुख्य द्वार, हमारा मेन एंट्री पॉइंट सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट एरिया होता है हमारे पूरे घर में. क्योंकि क्या होता है, इस मेन एंट्रेंस के थ्रू सिर्फ लोग ही नहीं एंटर करते हैं, सिर्फ हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स, गेस्ट या फ्रेंड्स ही एंटर नहीं करते हैं. इस मेन एंट्रेंस के थ्रू एनर्जीज भी एंटर करती हैं. This is not just the entry point for the family members, for friends, for relatives, for our guests or for our neighbors. But this is also the entry point for the energies. Now it depends on us that what kind of energies are we attracting. Are we attracting good energies or are we attracting the bad energies? ये टोटली हम पे डिपेंड करता है कि हमारे घर के अंदर कौन सी एनर्जीज एंटर कर रही हैं. अच्छी एनर्जीज आ रही हैं या बुरी एनर्जीज एंटर कर रही हैं. अगर अच्छी एनर्जीज आ रही हैं तो हमारे घर में पॉजिटिविटी रहेगी, पर अगर बुरी एनर्जीज आ रही है तो सिर्फ नेगेटिविटी ही हमारे घर में बनी रहेगी. दैट्स वाई इट बिकम्स वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट टू क्लीन योर एरिया, टू क्लीन योर होम, स्पेशली योर मेन एंट्रेंस. देन कम्स द नेक्स्ट टिप. ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट योर होम इज फ्री फ्रॉम ऑल द रिपेयर्स, स्पेशली अगेन योर मेन एंट्रेंस एरिया. देयर शुड बी नो ब्रेकेजेस in the doors. There should be no broken doors in your home. If there is any room left for repairs, please kindly repair them immediately. Get them repaired. Because repairs indicates financial losses and health loss too. Along with it, if there are doors of your washroom which needs repairing, get them repaired too. Each and everything in your home which needs repairing, get them repaired as soon as possible. Because repair indicates financial loss and health loss too. Along with it, if there are any leakages in your home, in your washrooms, in your sinks, in your wash basins, anywhere in your kitchen, get them repaired too. Because leakages again indicates health loss. So if you are suffering from lot of health problems, whether it's your mental health, emotional health, your physical health is at stake, then there are possibilities these leakages or the repairs are the reasons for it. So get them repaired immediately. Now comes the third tip. Avoid keeping shoe rack near your main entrance area. Because most of us have the habit of keeping our shoe rack, our shoe cupboard near our main entrance area. Because the time we enter our home, we tend to take out our shoes and keep them near the main entrance. But this is not at all a very good habit. It's a very bad habit. Because shoe racks attracts lot of negative energies, innumerable amount of negative energies. And these negative energies leads to a negative thinking, leads to a negative mindset. And negative mindsets leads to bad deeds. And bad deeds gives birth to a bad future. That's why avoid keeping shoe rack near your main entrance area. Because the thing is, whenever we go out, whenever we step out from our home, we wear shoes. And we don't know to how many places we visit. So that's why these shoes carry lot of negative energies. It gathers the energies of each and every place. That's the reason avoid keeping shoe rack near your main entrance area. Keep shoe rack in the southwest direction or the west direction in your home. Now comes the next tip, the fourth tip. What you can do near your main entrance, you can light a bulb. You can light a yellow bulb, a red bulb, or a white bulb as well near your main entrance area. Because after lighting a bulb, what you are doing, you are activating a fire element near your main entrance. And what does fire element signifies? What does it represents? Fire element represents strength, courage, willpower, protection from all the negative energies, from all the negative entities. So it represents strength, willpower, courage, then wealth, prosperity, money, abundance, good luck, good fortune. So if you want to attract positive energies, if you want to attract wealth, prosperity, money into your life, if you want to clear away all the blockages that are coming in your financial life or in your personal life, if you need to boost your self-confidence, your willpower, your motivation, then light a bulb near your main entrance area. You can light a bulb on the top of your entrance door. That will raise the vibrations of your home as well. That will make you feel energetic. And after doing this, after following this Vastu tip, you'll literally feel a different kind of energy and enthusiasm in your body. A different kind of positivity will be there in your life. Now comes the next tip. What you can do, you can place a symbol of swastik or Om on your entrance door. Or you can place any symbol, whichever religion you follow. Because Om or swastik, these symbols represents the divine power. It is the form of the divinity. So if you are placing these symbols on the entrance of your home, on the main entry door, you are raising the vibrations of your home. You are attracting positive energies. You are attracting good luck, good fortune, prosperity, success, victory, and good health into your life. So this is a very good thing, a very good tip that you should follow. Or you can also do one thing. You can place the idol of Lord Ganesha, if you worship Lord Ganesha, on the top of your entrance door. If there is more wider place in your main entrance, then on the top of your main entrance, you can place the idol of Lord Ganesha, because Lord Ganesha is known as the destroyer of all the obstacles. So whatever problems, whatever obstacles are there in your life will be cleared by Lord Ganesha. The blessings of the divine power will be there in your home, in your life. Now comes the next tip, the sixth tip. All you have to do is, you have to hang wind chimes near your main entrance, or you can also hang them in the northwest direction of your home. Why you have to hang wind chimes is, what is the reason behind hanging wind chimes in our home? Because wind chimes, whenever wind chimes moves due to airflow, the tinkling sound of these wind chimes creates a very good impact on your mind. So this tinkling sound calms your mind. It basically brings peace and clarity of mind. And it controls all the negative thoughts, all the negativity that is there in your mind. And it maintains a balance, peace and harmony in your life. So it helps you to invite positive thoughts into your life. And it will help you to attract only positive energies. It dispels all the evil and negative energies, and it helps us to invite positive energies into your life. So you can hang wind chimes in the northwest direction, or you can also hang them near your main entrance. If you're hanging them in the northwest direction, you have to hang metal wind chimes. But you can also place wind chimes in the east direction of your home, but make sure they are wooden wind chimes if you're hanging in the east direction. And by hanging wind chimes in the east direction of your home, what you are doing, you are maintaining love, balance, peace and harmony among your family members. And you are attracting health luck into your life by hanging wooden wind chimes in the east direction of your home. And by hanging in the northwest direction, the metal wind chimes, you are attracting mentor luck. If you need guidance, from helpful people, if you need good teachers in your life, so you can hang them in the northwest direction of your home. And if you want to travel abroad or travel anywhere for attracting good career opportunities, you can hang metal wind chimes in the northwest direction of your home. And this will attract a lot of positivity in your home. And this will help you to get rid of all the negative energies, all the negative entities that are there in your home. So I have covered all 6 Vastu tips. Do follow these Vastu tips. This will help you a lot in your life. This will bring a lot of positive changes in your life. And once you start following these tips, these remedies, you'll feel positivity within yourself. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about some Vastu remedies, numerology, spirituality, or you need some crystal healing tips, don't forget to share, like or subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, or you need some Vastu remedies, or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. I have mentioned the links in my description box, so you can go and check out there. So thank you so much for watching my video.